next use case that we want to talk about is I'm tired of extra modules. We've had several projects where we just didn't know, and I'm taking on the voice of the customer here, if that wasn't obvious. We've had several projects that we just didn't know that we needed extra modules. We missed it. We didn't order the right things for things like alarming or recipes or drivers or database connectivity or reporting. We've had to go back to management for more funding, more money. And then we had to go to purchasing to place another order and then wait for things to be delivered or licenses to get upgraded. So really what's nice about the AVEVA Edge tool set is it's comprehensive, meaning it's everything included that you need to create an HMI or SCADA project, again, for everything that you need. So I've shown here kind of the development ribbon interface and some of the tools that we have, just as more of a reminder or a checklist for me, because you get all of the drawing tools, you get all the animations, the ability to tie in external objects, the ability to do remote management, remote troubleshooting, to manage your tags database, all your graphics, all your background things that happen like alarming, trending, recipes, reports, scripting. There's 2 or 3 different scripting languages in the product. The ability to interface with your drivers, multiple different drivers simultaneously, as well as OPC. I didn't mention this earlier, but in addition to the other drivers that we have, I think I did maybe mention MQTT as well. But the ability to create your own graphics, industrial graphics, everything that you need to manage, facilitate, create, and deploy a project is all included. Now, the next thing that I like to show here is the different vertical markets that we're involved in. And we're really in every different market, as you can imagine. I typically point out this rightmost slice here because it really points to that we are in every different type of industry that you can imagine. And why do I point that out? Well, this is how we got to the place where we are with so many different features in the product. For example, pharmaceutical customers asked us to support a US FDA standard called 21 CFR Part 11. Basically, that's the traceability, trackability, and security to maintain and watch over a project. For example, who changed what ingredient from what to what, and when did they change that, who was logged in. So as we got those requests from different pharmaceutical type customers, we realized that would benefit other industries. So we looked to see how could we add that feature into the product and then make it available to other types of applications, other types of industries. And so that's how we've really added the features over time and added that capability and the functionality to really have all the tools that you need to create an HMI and or SCADA type project.